In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view archived items in Monday.com step by step. If you've ever archived tasks, groups, or items and then struggled to find them again, don't worry, Monday keeps them accessible. You just need to know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact method to locate archived items directly inside your board in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Monday.com guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Monday.com and navigate to the board where your items were originally archived. This is important because archived items are stored within the specific board they came from. So go ahead and open the correct workspace, then click into the board where those items were previously located. Once your board is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon, sometimes referred to as the ellipsis menu. This menu contains additional board options and settings that aren't visible on the main interface. Go ahead and click on those three dots. After clicking the three-dot menu, a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Board Settings. This will open a side panel or drop-down with more detailed configuration options for your board. Inside the Board Settings area, look for the option labeled Archived Items. Click on Archived Items and Monday.com will immediately display a view showing everything that has been archived within that specific board. Here, you'll be able to see all archived tasks or items along with their details. This includes the item name, column values, updates, and any other associated information. Nothing is permanently deleted when archived. It's simply hidden from the main board view, which helps keep your workspace clean without losing data. If you want to restore an archived item, you can usually select the item and choose the Restore option. Restoring will move it back into the active board so your team can continue working on it. This is especially helpful if something was archived by mistake or if a project becomes active again. Now, just to clarify something important, archived items are different from deleted items. Archived items can be easily accessed and restored using the method I just showed you. Deleted items, on the other hand, may require admin permissions or accessing the trash section, depending on your account settings. So if you're not seeing what you expect under archived items, double-check that it wasn't permanently deleted instead. Another quick tip. If you manage multiple boards and can't remember where something was archived, you'll need to check each relevant board individually using this same process. Monday.com organizes archived content per board, not in one global archived view across your entire account. And that's it. That's exactly how you view archived items inside a board in Monday.com. Open your board, click the three-dot menu, go to Board Settings, and then click Archived Items. Just a few clicks and you'll have access to everything that was previously archived. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Monday.com tutorials. I post simple, step-by-step software guides to help you save time and work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.